welcome Professor Dr. Ulrich Hackenberg, member of the board of Volkswagen brand for technical development.
Gentlemen and gentlemen, ni hao. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Isn't that a great car? Looks very nice, I think. Thank you, thank you. Thank you to our designers. This concept car, the Cross Blue Coupe, opens a window in the future for the Volkswagen brand. An SUV with a plug-in hybrid drive. The performance data and fuel economy figures immediately make driving the Cross Blue Coupe as emotional as it looks. Its top speed of 236 kilometers contrasts with a low fuel consumption of only 3 liters per 100 kilometers in the official European driving cycle. The Cross Blue Coupe has an all-electric driving range of up to 33 kilometers. This is enabled by a plug-in hybrid drive, which includes 3 drive sources and a lithium-ion battery, which also can be charged externally. We have integrated the battery in a space-saving way in the center tunnel. The V6 turbo petrol engine produces 220 kilowatts, while the electric motor, which is integrated in a 6-speed triple clutch gearbox, contributes 40 kilowatts. The second electric motor is located in the rear. As soon as Cross Blue Coupe is switched over to pure electric mode, the SUV can be driven up to a speed of 120 kilometers pure electric. In the sport mode, on the other hand, the concept car utilizes maximum system power of up to 305 kilowatts. When the power of all the 3 drive sources is fully tapped, the Cross Blue Coupe can accelerate to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5.9 seconds. Actually, we should really be talking about an SUV sports car here, with all superb dynamic performance. So this SUV would be an ideal vehicle for commuters who simply want to switch over to electric drive when entering the city area. Meanwhile, when driving in between 2 cities, the Cross Blue Coupe makes use of the full potential of plug-in hybrid drive. This vehicle is an electric car on the one hand, but it is also a versatile all-wheel drive car that converts all the demands customers do expect from cars in this SUV segment. Volkswagen also is using this concept car to demonstrate how the brand's design qualities will develop in the B SUV segment. The concept car, which is sporty, with its sporty proportions, demonstrates the dynamic potential of Volkswagen design. This dynamic can also characterize the segment of Cross Blue Coupes. The class of B SUVs vehicles is one of the fastest growing in the world, and especially in China. In China alone, we are expecting a volume of 770,000 vehicles in the year 2027. In the framework of our electric mobility strategy, which has been individually adapted to China together with our joint ventures SVW and FAW, we intended to locally produce electrified drives and cars like the Cross Blue Coupe to fascinate our customers and to stabilize our leading position in the Chinese market. Thank you very much for your attention. Gentlemen and gentlemen, xie xie.
Thank you very much, Professor Dr. Hackenberg. 各位来宾、媒体朋友们，30年来，大众汽车在中国深深地扎下了根。
Ladies and gentlemen,
大众汽车的产品
after
也进入了
30
千
years
家
of
万
rapid
户。
growth,
未
the
来，
Volkswagen
大
today
众
is
汽车将继
rooted,
续携
deeply
手合
rooted
作伙
in
伴
China.，
为实现可持续发展的目
In
标
coming
努
years,
力前
Volkswagen
行。
will continue
最后，
to
再次感谢大家
partner with
参
the
加大众汽车
FAW
品牌
Volkswagen
新闻
and
发布会。
SAIC
谢
Volkswagen
谢，
to
再见。
propel its next chapter of rapid growth in the soil of China. Thank you very much for your attention and support.
And now, would Professor Dr. Heitzmann and Mr. Zhonghai Liang please gather for a group photo with the Grand La Vida? Now, would Professor Dr. Heitzmann and Mr. An Tie Chong please gather for a photo with the new CC?